Hey everybody, so this video is going to be about TAD, our smart car. When we got back from Michigan a couple weeks ago and hooked TAD and started it up and realized we had an exhaust leak, probably from all the bumpy roads we encountered on the way back to and from. Finally snapped it. Anyway, this is going to be a video of me attempting to fix it myself. I was quoted $2,300 for it, and I just wasn't going to pay that just for a very small exhaust on a small little smart car. So, alright, let's take you along so you can see what transpired. Let me quickly add though that after it happened, I did get one of those aluminum metal patch kits with clamps, and I did attempt to patch it up myself, just temporarily at least. It was in a bad spot, as you can see probably on this photo. It lasted 2 weeks, but then it finally broke again, did not hold up. So then I had to order a new muffler online and try to attempt to do it myself. I had watched other videos online and didn't like the way it looked. The only thing I was worried about is 2 bolts on the muffler to take it off, and that's exactly what happened. I ran into some problems there in very hot, humid, 95-degree weather for 2 days, and well, here it is. Take a look. Well, here we are, a day I didn't want to happen, but we got the exhaust I ordered because the patch job I did only lasted a couple weeks, and there's just really no way of fixing it, so I need to do the full exhaust. So let's open this up. I ordered this from Amazon from Northeastern Exhaust. It should fit. It says it does, so let's get her open. Okay, so far I took off these. There's 2 push pins here. Took them off. Plastic push pins. Took them off. Took this off to reveal 2 Torx screws, and they are T25s. One over here, one over here. Don't have to take this whole panel off. So then this side is loose. And there was another T25 right in here I took off. Now I'm about to take these covers off, and there should be T25s in those also on both ends. Before taking the panel off, you should take this off so you can get the panel off. And then these 2 for sure have to come off on both sides, so I'll do that too. I don't think this has to come off. I think it's just these 2, so we'll do those 2 first. The gas cap here, I forgot to stuck a sock in it, so I'm going to stick a sock in it right now so nothing gets in there. And then we have to undo this clip here for the gas cap, for the gas, and then we'll have to undo the lights back here also. Okay, and just like that, it came off. I thought I was going to have to take the tailgate off, but I didn't have to. It just pushed down and then out. I think I might have to take this bumper off. Some Torx screws there, some pretty big ones. I hope it's not too rusted. This is what I need to get at right here. Get this exhaust off. I think this is a catalytic converter. Those look pretty rusted. Don't know if I can get this cap off. Anyways, we'll work on it. This is where the break occurred, right here. As you can see. These are T40s, by the way. I'll be taking them off. I think there's another third one on the inside and down here. So I'll work on that. Okay, bumper guard off. Now I just have to be able to get at this and take it off. 2 bolts, and I can. The project will be done if I can just get those 2 bolts off. So it's all stems around that. So I got the lower part, the muffler part off. Yeah, it was hanging part because it was broke there. So this is what's going on so far. So the other part of the exhaust is still hanging here. I got the one bolt broke off. I got that off. The other side I can't get off. I've been trying to grind this off so I can get my wrench back there, but I can't get my wrench back there. I may have to take this off, but I don't know. I know nothing about that, and if I can get it back on the correct way if I take it off. I know nothing about this suspension. I'm kind of at a standstill here. Just one bolt. One bolt. Been trying for about an hour or 2. Use the saw to get this sucker off, but now the problem is I still have gonna have to somehow drill those bolts out. So I did not feel like messing this up and trying to drill those holes out. So I went to a muffler place, a small place, not a chain place, and they did it for me, and they installed the muffler for $140. So I'm out maybe $350. The quote to have it done at Midas or any place like that was $2,300 and something. So I saved $2,000 by just trying to do it myself, even though I didn't finish the whole thing. But anyways, it's done. It's hanging. Now I just got to put the bumper back on and that. So shouldn't take me too long. Bumper plate back on. Now we just got to do that. That's pretty easy. Okay, we are done. And it is 90-some degrees again today. So I'm gonna just go jump in the pool. See y'all next time. Thanks for watching.